Evaluating expressions, lesson B notes, example number 2. We're going to evaluate the expression 3 times the quantity 5 plus n minus 1. And we're going to evaluate it for n equals 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So again, I'm going to take this expression right here, and I'm going to evaluate it at these values right here. Now, up above in example 1, we did the problems going vertically. So we started with the problem, and then we worked our way downward. This is the same concept, except it's using a chart, and we're going to do this horizontally. So I already did 0. See, over here's the numbers we're plugging in. And I already did the value of 0. So I plugged in 0 for the variable n, and I followed my order of operations. Order of operations means I need to do what's inside the parentheses first. 5 plus 0 is 5. Then I need to multiply. 3 times 5 is how I got the 15. And last is to subtract. 15 minus 1 is how I got 14. So I'm going to take the values 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'm going to plug it in. So this will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you need to, take a moment, pause your video, and get all that written down. All right, I'm going to start by doing what's in the parentheses. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So for this one, I would have 3 times 6 minus 1. I'm going to go down to the next one. So we've got in the parentheses 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is going to be 3 times 7 and then minus 1. All right, so back up to this problem right here. The next step is your multiplication. Underline that. 3 times 6 is 18. And then we need the minus 1. Do the same thing for where we plugged in 2. 3 times 7 is 21. And then I need the minus 1. Now we can finish this by doing the subtraction. 18 minus 1 is 17. 21 minus 1 is 20. I would like you to pause your video and do 3 and 4. Okay, for the 3, 5 plus 3 is 8, so you should have had 3 times 8 minus 1. For the 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, so you should have 3 times 9 minus 1. Now I do the multiplication. 3 times 8 is 24. Bring down the minus 1. 3 times 9 is 27, and then I need the minus 1. And then the last step is to do your subtraction. Again, I'm just following my order of operations. 24 minus 1 is 23. 27 minus 1 is 26. So we evaluated the expression 3 times the quantity 5 plus n minus 1 for values 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice our answers. They're going up by 3. 14 plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, and so forth. The reason it goes up by 3 is because you multiplied by 3. If you would multiply by 5, those values would be going up by 5. If you multiplied by 10, they would be going up by 10. If you have any questions on example 2 or evaluating those expressions, please let me know.